Guys, I just got back from my front yard, and I think this is my package. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. I think this is my package. I think this might be my Knuckles, or my new Sonic plush, or the other plush I got, but I don't know, we gotta go see. So let's go get the scissors real quick. Alright, I got scissors. Alright guys, let's open this bad boy up. And guys, I already ripped off the paper so you guys wouldn't see where they live, because that's like weird. But let's open this up. I can't open this. I have to put the camera down real quick. Alright, I got this tape over here. I got this part off. Right. There we go. There we go. Ah. Well, this looks like it's my Knuckles plush. Looks like it's my Knuckles. Yeah. Yep. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. This is my Knuckles plush is going to be added to the series of my, what is it called? My Zombie Apocalypse series. That's going to be in it. Boy. And sorry for uploading not too long ago, but yeah. And hope you guys enjoyed this amazing unboxing video. So let me just do a quick review on this guy, because it looks awesome. Alright, so this guy is awesome. He's 12 inches. He's in really good condition. He did not come with the tag, but it's good, it's fine. And it has a little hanger, so I can hang it up. And then it's pretty big hands, but yeah, I like this plush a lot. It's really nice, so yeah, it's really well stuffed, except the legs are they're okay, but there can be stuff a little bit better. The face, the nose is not fully stuffed. It's kind of just like weird. Like my shadow, it's very loose, no stuffing. But this is supposed to have stuffing in it, but there's not much of it. This is not pre-owned. This is actually new. But yeah. So everything's well stuffed except the nose, really, and kind of the legs. His tail is perfectly a good shape. His little spikes on the back of him, they're really nice shapes. They're really well stuffed. And his head is huge. Like, he is as heavy as my Supersonic, and my Supersonic's pretty heavy. My Supersonic is supposed to be a backpack, so I used it because I don't have a real Supersonic plush. But I'm looking forward to get one if I get my money, which is, I'm tough on money because I don't make much. I do chores, so I can make some money. So support your boy, and yeah. So I'm looking forward to get a Supersonic plush. My Sonic GE plush should be coming tomorrow. I'm gonna be doing a review on that. Right, I mean, in the same video, it's just gonna be 2 seconds later for you guys, but for me, it's gonna be in one freaking day. Do you understand this? And also, guys, I'm probably not gonna do review, but no, I am doing a review. What I'm talking about. But then I have a Goku plushie coming in, and then yeah, the Goku plushie was pretty good deal. I won the bet. It was like $5, pretty good. It was pretty good condition, and yeah, I'm just seeing Goku in the series. And then today I'm gonna be going to Walmart because my mom said that there's gonna be new plushies coming because Walmart just shipped some new plushies, and they're gonna be like My Academia, which is my favorite show. Dragon Ball Z, I don't know. But there's a lot of anime plushies coming there. If there's Sonic there, you know I'm going. You know that. Your boy loves Sonic. Your boy loves anime. You know that, guys. But yeah, this plush is really nice. His face are not too big, but there's little like things on this, like little spikes, like his hands. They're really tough, and I like that. That can be very useful for like my little fighting scenes. And yeah, and these little spikes are really well stuffed, except for these. These are like a little, I don't know, not stuffed as well. I don't know the word, but yeah. He has 12 inches, and he's kind of like the series of my Shadow plush. This is like a UFO plush, I think. But this Knuckles is way better than Sonic. Tails freaking creepy. Creepy, creepy, creepy. I'm putting an image right here. You see this, guys? That looks freaking creepy. I don't like that. So I got Knuckles and Shadow, my favorites. Not Shadow too much. Just more. That was a gift from my sister. She won it for me at Words of Fun. She won it, and yeah, that's why I got Shadow. This one I bought for $15. I won a bid. So yeah, I'm winning a lot of these on bid. And then the GE Sonic plush was a bit not too pricey for me, anyways. It's pretty pricey for me. It was like $25. I don't have too much, but you know, your boy be getting those chores done, getting them right, getting them tight for you guys, get good content, and to add to my collection. So yeah, I'm working for some money. Guys, look what came in the mail.
Jaden, who was at the door?
It's my plushie I got.
Another one?
You know. But guys, this is awesome. It finally came. My GE Sonic plush. Look at this bad boy. Finally got a new plushie. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to replace. Because this guy is awesome. Alright guys, I'm replacing this guy with him. Actually, I'm not replacing him. He's still going to be in the show because this is Central Sonic. And this is going to be Modern Sonic. The OG right here. So let's open this bad boy up. Oh, how do you open this thing? Alright guys, I might need to get scissors because I cannot open this. Alright, let's go get the scissors, guys. Alright, I have the scissors. Now let's cut it up. Okay. That should be good. Yeah. This will open. Yeah. Oh, there we go. It's opening. Okay, guys, let me just get this out real quick. Wait. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. Look at this plush. He's so good. Hey guys, my name's Sonic. This is a 14-inch GE plushie. Super nice. Well stuffed. Came with the tag. And the tag looks like... Let me show you guys. This is what the tag looks like. And yeah. That's the tag. Nothing wrong with it. Everything well stuffed. Shoes are pretty big. And yeah. So let me go show you guys the rest of the plushies. Real quick, guys. This is a, I think, 10-inch or 9-inch plush, all the way to this guy. Look at this. Look at the size difference. This is huge. And the hands are really nice. Really nice. So let's go see the other one. And here's Knuckles. He is almost the size of him, which is... I think I'm alright with that. He's pretty darn tall. So this guy is still Central Sonic, so he's still in the series. Let's get Tails. Get off. Get off. And then here's Tails. This one makes sense because Sonic is taller than Tails, which is also in a series, so go check it out. Now, obviously, Shadow's a freaking shorty. Let's go over Tails. The shorty. This is a huge size difference. But I'm going to be changing this guy to a different Shadow because he's too tiny. And I'm going to try to reach... Meow, meow. I'm just trying to do some dash, but... I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get a GE Shadow once I get the money for it, obviously. But yeah, and so yeah, guys, I'm gonna replace this guy as well pretty soon. I get the money for it. When I do, then boy, you guys get that GE plushie, and I will reach that goal for you guys. But yeah, that's him. And then my classic Sonic, which this one also makes sense because classic is shorter than modern, so this one makes also sense. Like obviously these two don't make too much sense because they're like the same size and like the Sonic series. But yeah, so he's gonna be the shortest. He will always be. But this is Modern Sonic. I think he might be Central Shadow. Yeah, guys, coming up with a want it to be Central Shadow. You want it still just be short, but until I replace him. But yeah, this is my only Shadow, my only Knuckles, my only classic, and 2 modern Sonics. This is a big change. And there we go. There is my. This is my whole entire series. Not my series. My unboxing and review. So, yeah, guys, this guy is really cool, really nice. And let's go to show Jazzy. All right, Jazzy. Look what I got. Received in the mail. What do you think of it?
Thanks.
Jazzy, you're not the Sonic fan here. I am the Sonic fan.
What?
You play Sharky, you play Tails. What else does she play?
Watching reveiw.
Well, let's go. But yes, guys, I'm super happy with this plushie. This is awesome. And just like normal GE plushies, it has this little hanger so I can hang it up. And I'm going to hang out both of these right now after I'm done, because these 2 are my GE plushies. This is my GE collection right here. Tiny, tiny, very, very small collection. But yeah, this is my little GE collection, classic and modern. And for some reason, I don't know why they made modern so big, because it's just not going to work very well with other GE plushies, because other GE plushies like Silver is 12 inches, Shadow's 12 inches, so yeah, that's going to be, this is kind of weird, but I really like this plushie, no matter what size it is, like if it's even a million inches, I'll still get it. Just kidding, that'll be honestly pretty pricey, honestly. But yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe, and join my family, because we're going to be doing more reviews, more unboxing. Not too much, because, I mean, I don't have that much money to buy these things. Pretty pricey Sonic plushies, but they're really worth it. And I've saved this guy for, like, about 3 months now. I've been saving up for this guy. And since I had a little money left over, I bought Knuckles, because I really needed him. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this series, and see you all next time. Yeah. This guy's pretty. This is awesome. Yeah, I just can't reach you guys. Yeah. Well, I'm not going to see you guys later, because I'm just going to sit right here. And yeah. So, until next time, for the next episode that I will be doing pretty darn soon, after this one. See you guys later. Bye.